Hello student, in this video we learn about how to download our WordPress website data. So log in your WordPress dashboard and then go to tools, and in tools there are many options available. Tools: import, export, site health, export personal data, erase personal data, redirection. So to export your website data, so you can go to tools and then go to export. So click on export. In export there are many options. Choose what to export. So this will contain all of your posts, pages, comments, custom fields, terms, navigation, menus, and custom ports. When you check on all content, but you can individually download your post or pages. If you check on post and you click on download, your post will be downloaded, not to your pages downloaded. When you click on banner, so you can download it individually your post, pages, or banner, or you can download all the content on your website, which include all types of your content: pages, posts, comments, pictures. So we check all content and then click on download export file. So the data is downloading in XML file. The file is downloading. So the file is downloaded and show in folder. So it is our website data which we have downloaded. Thank you for watching for this video.